blast front out ahead of it, which means all the winds at the surface that are going to try to punch
90 miles per hour!
12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located
90!
over a line
Oh my gosh!
west of Cape Drumley to 3 miles east of Kenbury, moving east at 60 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Cross Creek and Tulsa counties, including the Tulsa metro area.
Oh!
Expected hazards include 90 miles per hour wind gusts and quarters.
Oh my
This
gosh!
is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation.
Oh my gosh!
Flying debris may be deadly to those caught in
They're literally just...
Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations in or near the path include Tulsa, Broken Arrow, Sand Springs, Bristow, Owasso, Bixby, Sepulpa.
Oh my goodness. This is going straight for me. Wait, hold up. If this stays on track...
Still have one tornado warning that might be allowed to expire from the state.
Oh my lord!
32. For your
Oh! 102!
floor of a building. These storms are producing destructive winds and large damaging hail.
Large damaging hail, bro. This is 1-inch hail. What you mean? I guess it still is damaging hail, wouldn't it be?
11 p.m.
Oh,
Airport, it was cloudy and temperature was
dude, I'm flipping out.